All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. There's been ruckus reported at Delhi Minister Atishi's hunger strike. Protesters raised slogans against the Delhi CM. Our workers clash with the protesters. These are pictures, in fact, coming in from the national capital by Atishi. The water minister in the Delhi government is protesting. She's been sitting on a hunger strike. However, protesters reached the venue and raised slogans against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Aam Aadmi Party workers then went on to have a clash with the protesters there, who were sloganeering against the AAP government. Delhi has been reeling under a water crisis, because of which Delhi Water Minister Atishi has been sitting on a dharna. Protesters, in fact, reached the venue of the dharna, raising slogans against the Aam Aadmi Party, against the Delhi Chief Minister. These are pictures, in fact, from the venue, where Atishi, the Delhi Water Minister, was sitting on a dharna. This ruckus that is reported at Atishi's Satyagraha site. Protesters raising slogans against the Delhi Chief Minister. Aam Aadmi Party workers were seen driving out the protesters here. Delhi continues to reel under water crisis, and there was a protest that was organized by Atishi. In fact, this is a Satyagraha that was organized. However, protesters reached the venue, creating ruckus. Aam Aadmi Party workers then went on to clash with the protesters. On the left side of your screen, some pictures coming in from a protest earlier organized by the BJP when they were water cannon. Amit, in fact, sent us this report from Jangpura in Delhi. Let's take a look.
Of indefinite hunger strike by Delhi Water Minister Atishi, but suddenly there was ruckus at this particular protest venue. Other set of protesters suddenly came here and tried to barge in, breaking through the barricades which is kept near the stage, and they started sloganeering, and that's when the Aam Aadmi Party youth wing workers took them out, and now right in front of where Atishi's protest is sitting on hunger strike. These people are protesting, sloganeering, and Delhi police is trying to, manage them, maintain the law and order situation. क्या नाम है, क्यों?
मेरा नाम इलियास खान है। मैं ये हर बार हमसे इनसे जवाब मांगने आते हैं। हम 3 बार इनकी सरकार बनाई। दिल्ली
कौन है आप?
हम बस मार्शल हैं। दिल्ली सिविल कब काम? मुझे 9 साल हो गए इस डिपार्टमेंट में काम करते करते। और ये दिल्ली के नागरिकों कहते हैं बीजेपी के गुंडे हैं। बुरारी में इनका विधायक मारता तब भी बीजेपी की। अगर आप सच्चे हो, आपने वोट लिया है, तो आप हमारे साथ आइए। चलिए, इन्हीं ने प्रस्ताव दिया था, हमें एलजी साहब ने साफ स्टोरी में लिख के दिया है आईटीआई के माध्यम से कि उनने नहीं हटाया। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने प्रस्ताव दिया था। जब उनने
अनशन स्थल पे क्यों आए?
अनशन से हम इनसे बात करने आए थे कि सर आप दिल्ली के
की हो रही है आम आदमी पार्टी कार्यकर्ता और आपके बीच।
ये हमें मारते हैं और बीजेपी का गुंडा बता के हमें भगा देते हैं। अरे साहब, हम दिल्ली के वोटर हैं। अगर मैं इलियास खान हूँ, मुझे पता कर लो, मैं अगर बीजेपी से मेरा कोई लिंक निकलता है
तो चलिए यहाँ आपको दिखाते हैं। कुछ लोग आपको वर्दी में दिखाई देंगे। व्हाट्स योर नेम? क्या नाम है आपका?
अशोक पासवान।
क्यों प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं?
सर, 8 महीने से हमें बेरोजगार कर दिया गया है दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा, और आज तक हमें रोजगार के लिए कुछ भी हमें पता है नहीं जा रहा है, कुछ क्या जा रहा है। और यहाँ सत्याग्रह कर रहे पानी के लिए। हमारा रोजगार दो, हमारा रोजगार कहाँ है?
सत्याग्रह में ये आरोप लग रहा है आप लोग हंगामा करने के लिए आए, आपको बीजेपी ने भेजा है, आप लोग हाथापाई आपकी और उनके आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं के बीच हुई है यहाँ पे।
ऐसा है ना, तो हम यहाँ कोई हंगामा करने आए हैं। हम दिल्ली के डीटीसी बसों में महिला सुरक्षा कर्मी लगाए गए थे, हम वो मार्शल हैं। हमारे को 28 फरवरी और 29 फरवरी को विधानसभा में प्रस्ताव पारित किया था और 6 महीने हो गए उस बात को, आज तक उसकी कोई रूपरेखा नहीं है। हम पिछले 8 महीने से इन दोनों सरकारों ने हमारे को धरने पे बिठा के रखा है, हमारे भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रखा है। हमारे साथी आप देखो लगातार धरने में
sloganeering outside the very spot where Atishi is holding her indefinite hunger strike is going on. These people claim they are the DTC bus marshals who were removed by an order issued, by the Delhi administration. There's a clash between Aam Aadmi Party government and Delhi LG over this issue. And Aam Aadmi Party have been claiming that it is the LG who had ordered the removal of these bus marshals. But it is an interesting visual. On one side you have the Aam Aadmi Party karyakartas who are sloganeering. On the other side, it is these protesters, another set of protesters who are sloganeering against Arvind Kejriwal's government, against Aam Aadmi Party, and they are claiming that they are DTC bus marshals who have been removed and they are seeking back their jobs. So a place where it is supposed to be the Satyagraha of Atishi, suddenly Aam Aadmi Party is also facing protest from another set of protesters who are claiming to be sacked DTC bus marshals. And the Aam Aadmi Party is in the counter saying that, they have been sent by the BJP. But the visuals are quite interesting. On one side, AAP Satyagraha going on, AAP workers raising slogans against those who had reached, here and raising slogans against Arvind Kejriwal's government. With video journalist Ankit Singh, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.